Hello, students. I want to talk about Cengage and how to save money on textbooks. And these are some of the textbooks that we use at college that are published by Cengage. Many of these are business books, computer books, and administrative support books. And we do have some other books as well. And therefore, students who want to save a lot of money, they can pay, let's say, $200, something around $200, and use all of these books for that ebooks for that $200 that they pay. And we want to know how it works. And here is what I have put together. Imagine that you are taking CIS 114. It is Computer Applications and Concepts that many students take during their first semester. They go and get the book. They go to our bookstore and select their books, and this is CIS. A student can come here, of course, and then buy it either used or new, and these are hard copy. And then what they do is that they end up paying $158 if they buy it new. But Cengage says instead of buying this book CIS 114 for $158, you can become a member of Cengage. If you become a member of Cengage, which means you can become a member for 4 months, 12 months, or 24 months. If you become a member for 4 months, you will be able to use all of these books for that membership. And how it works is that you will pay $119, and 99 cents you will select here, and then that covers not only you can use this textbook with that amount as soon as you become a member. And imagine you are taking also another course like CIS 119, which is Excel. You don't need to buy these books. You don't even need to buy again membership because you already bought 4 months of membership here. That covers this one membership here, covers not only for CIS 114, it covers for CIS 119, it covers for CIS 122. Therefore, all you have to do is to buy just one membership. This is based on assumptions that imagine you are graduating in fall. You don't need to buy more membership for more than 4 months. However, if you think you are graduating in 1 year, let's say in the spring of 2021, maybe it is better to pay $179 and buy membership for 12 months. And then, excuse me, in those 12 months, any of these books that are there that comes and you take a course that any of these books are included, then you already have your membership with that $179. Or if you think that you might graduate in 24 months, in 2 years, therefore you will better to get this membership. Therefore, if a new student walks in from the door, wants to start a program, let's say business management, I would advise that student to go and get this orange subscription. And as I said, one-time subscription is enough for one of the books that will entitle you to use all the Cengage books that are here. Now, these are of course ebooks, and you might say that you would like to have hard copy book. That's okay. Cengage will give you a deal. By being a member for 4 months or 12 months or 24 months, you can rent CIS 114 hard copy book for $799. That means that they will ship you, it's a free shipping. They send it to you for $7.99. Not only you are a member of Cengage for electronic books and many other resources that Cengage provides, you can get a hard copy book for say rented for $7.99 free shipping. Of course, I think when you have to send it back, you have to pay for the shipping, but they will give you free shipping. And by doing that, you can pay $7.99, also get a hard copy of this. But if you don't want the hard copy, this electronic version by itself is great enough. Therefore, imagine that you are taking these 3 books, you are taking these 3 courses, and instead of paying a hard copy 158 here, 158 here, and then another 140 in here, you only pay one-time fee, and then you have access to as many books as you want. These are all these books for 4 months or 12 months or 1 year. Now imagine you take these three courses, and during this semester you add another course. Here it is. Imagine you add another course called accounting. When you add accounting here, you look at the publisher. It is written MCG. MCG means McGraw-Hill. Therefore, it is not Cengage. Therefore, you have to order this book. Of course, you can order it any way you want to. Buy it used, buy it new, doesn't matter. And then imagine, in addition to that, you want to take income tax accounting, which is ACC 230. As soon as you see this, you are a member, you know that you are the member, you don't need to do anything here because you already got this membership when you registered for CIS 114, which means by saying that one time you register for one of these, memberships, and that is good enough. That's a way that you can save a lot of money. And if you have any problem regarding these textbooks, you can send me an email and I will help you. And as I said, it's a great, great service that Cengage has, and the students can save a lot of money. And that is my discussion